Today I'm going to show you how I make my rat necklaces. These are the rat charms. They're actually quite heavy, they're solid silver. I don't mean sterling silver, but they're solid, not hollow. I have an 18-inch chain, jump ring, lobster clasp, and this is a spare necklace that I put in when I make my necklaces, because if you're anything like me, I'm forever playing with my necklace. So that's what that's for. So we take our chain and we add our jump ring. This one's already open. And we just put it on the last chain loop or link. And then we take another pair of pliers and then close. All of my handmade jewellery and supplies sold on the website help fund the small animal rescue that I have. And then we do the same for the other side. But this time we're going to add a lobster clasp and attach to the chain and then close. I've just uploaded a video of how I make my rat bangles, if you're interested in that one. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, it really helps us. Just squeeze that one together a little bit more. And there's our chain. And we just thread it through the tail. The tails are very strong, so no need for a large jump ring, and if need be I can add a silver enamel heart charm if requested. So we just close and we attach it to a jewellery card. Then I add a handmade with love label and attach it to the necklace, just to prove that I've made the jewellery and not bought from China. These display cards are for earrings as well. I'm just going to make the hole a bit bigger and then put the handmade label through there. And just put the knot to the back and then cut off the excess thread. And then I pop into an organza bag, add the spare necklace chain and put 2 resin hearts in. I do this for all my rat jewellery. And there it is finished, and that's how I make my wrap necklaces. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day. Take care. Bye.